Hello everybody, welcome to IG classes. This is for your English faculty. Let me tell you that your dates are announced for the examination of JKPSC lecturer, and if I talk about English literature exam which is going to be conducted on 29th September this time. Dear aspirants, let me tell you that we have completed the whole test series on JKPSC based and on UGC net and set based, which is going to be important for your exam of English lecturer. Let me tell you additionally that from where I have tried to pick questions for you. Let me tell you the worthiness of our test series. Listen, to cover the history of English literature, I try to use this book to cover the very basics history. Okay, this is the book of teaching, which I think everybody use, which I have also used while preparing for the net exam, and that was your masters entrance exams for the central universities. Okay, this is the very basic book from where you can simply have the clear cut knowledge of test series. That's your history of English literature. After that, I have used William J. Long to make basic questions for you and to just like shift myself from basics to somehow moderate questions. Okay. After that, I have tried to use Dr. Google Tuluk's book, and this Tilak's book is very important because this is the historical background. Okay, historical background from Chaucer to present age to postmodern age. Additionally, I use David H's, and I know very well that covering David H is not a joke because everybody don't do. If you refer to the if you refer to anybody who have huge knowledge in English literature, I'm pretty much sure he also have not. Yeah, he also hasn't tried to cover that specific book. Okay. Additionally, what I do to make things easier for you, what I did to make assertion reason based questions for you, I try to use these one liner. Okay, this is I have a handy book to make the things very easy, one liner. Okay, I have covered the whole, and I try to let me show you. I try to make questions for you in the assertion reason based. Okay, so when you browse that test series, when you get that question, you can simply go there and attempt that questions. And when you will have the knowledge of assertion reason based questions, you will see that you will have the extra knowledge of that same question in the explanation box. Now, what I got inspired for giving the explanation was from this book. Okay, this is the book of explanation of previous net questions of English literature. Let me show you the format of this book, and same I have done to make questions for you as well. For example, this is a question. If you can read, I don't think so you will be able to read. For example, this is a question from here to there, and this is the explanation of this question. Okay, this is the explanation of this option as well, so that you can have extra knowledge of the same thing. No, for the literary criticism, I have tried to use other books as well, but primarily I focused on this thing. For example, this is also of one liner. We can't say this a one liner because this is not to be this is not for the whole literary criticism, but this is for different literary critics. And for example, Matthew Arnold is there, so there are many important bullet points of Matthew Arnold. Okay, this is Horace, and important points of course are there. So listen, for example, as you all know that our syllabus is very defined differently. If you go through the syllabus of UGC net or set, they will give you simply history of English literature, British poetry, Indian poetry, and American poetry, American drama, British drama, and all these things. They will never ask you anything from the deep point of view, but this is, we can say, blessing in disguise for us, because JKPSC has given the syllabus. JKPSC has given the the questions, the syllabus for us from Shakespeare. And what from Shakespeare we have to do, we do not have to cover all other writers which are not available in your syllabus. Keep my words with you. Okay, after that to take the help of previous year questions. This was a book with me. Let me show you the explanation of these mock tests. Okay, these are the questions which I took the help from, and I try to make questions for you on the base of this question. So thank you so much for watching. Let me additionally tell you that if you are interested in our test series, if you do not have much time to read all these books, for example, David Hutchins is there, William J. Long is there, Edward Albert is there, Pramod K. Nair is there. If you do not have the time to read all these books, there is no need to worry. You can simply go to our channel, go to our app IT classes. You can browse to test series. You can browse, or you can simply, I think the search option will also be available at there. If it is not, you can go to test series. That's box, and from that you can click on a test series of English literature. And when you attempt one question, additionally, let me tell you, when you attempt one question, you will, for example, there is a one question, these are its options. After that, explanation will also be given at there, which is going to be important for you for the net and set point of view as well. Okay, not for the JKPSC lecturer. If you are preparing for JKPSC KAS mains, that also will be amazing for you. So thank you so much for watching the this video. This is not a lecture. This is just to tell you that how our test series are important and what I am giving you in this test series. Okay, so thank you so much. If you need any type of a video which will be like how to spend these 10 to 15 days for you, for the English literature or for any other exam, for the political science, for the sociology, and other exam, okay, I can guide you very simply. Thank you so much.